Movin'On is a worldwide sustainable mobility ecosystem developing collective and creative approaches to anticipate society and markets evolutions and to co-innovate. At Movin'On, we know that no single person or player can tackle the huge challenges we are currently facing in the mobility world. But collectively, with the multiple expertise and know-how of our partners, with some creative and efficient innovation processes and methods, we have, for example, a unique opportunity to accelerate the transition towards carbon-free mobility at a European level. That's why we decided to initiate the Zero-Emission Mobility program. By Zero-Emission Mobility, we understand developing a combined electrical and hydrogen mobility, adapting networks to the rise of zero-emission vehicles, developing zero-emission mobility through services, securing investments and mitigating risk on scale-up projects. These are just a few examples of the challenges we are now dealing with to speed up the transition to a zero-emission mobility. So far, this zero-emission program has been gathering no less than 50 major players, companies and institutions, from the energy providers, the automotive industry, to the data and financial services. Our overall goal is to bring together public and private players to identify many concrete solutions. By mutualizing ideas, resources, investment, and by sharing risks, we believe we can turn numerous opportunities into reality. I invite you to join us on this new Movin'On Ecosystemic Transformation Program and on our digital meeting on March 24th to know more about it before jumping into action with our partners. The zero-emission mobility has to become a reality. The question is no longer why or what to do, but how and how quickly.